Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to scroll down again and find build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you are in the developer mode. As you can see, I've got the info that there is no need because I'm already in the developer mode. So let's get back, and as you can see, the developer options should appear right above the About Phone. So let's enter. Okay, if you will turn them on for the very first time, then all of the options will be active. So as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, we can change some options which are connected to the animation, we can show visual feedback for tabs, and so on and so on. So we've got plenty of options to customize. And if you'd like to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here, and as you can see, they are inactive, but unfortunately in this model they will not disappear completely. So after getting back, you can see that the developer options are right here, even if you will turn off the settings in the recents. Probably they will disappear if you will restart your device. So if you'd like to, let me get back, because if you'd like to customize them again, obviously you do not have to go back to the build number step. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher here to activate them. Tap on OK, and as you can see, they are active. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.